Wow, what just happened today, guys? Today changes everything, I think? I don't know. But hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is around $2.50. Why is everything in the green today? Right? Look at all these coins, especially XRP, pumping magically out of nowhere. Or could it be? Well, the one thing that I do know is supposedly the case is finally concluded, but the Redditors called it from the beginning of time. First things first, a billion USDT minted at Tether Treasury, so it seems like they're activated again. Okay, just in time. Interesting. Then the 40x short whale is now 40x long whale. Right, he closed all his short positions and is now long. His entry is at 84.5k, guys. That's insane. The amount of money he just made is ridiculous. Then, worst of Unisys equity correction is likely over, JP Morgan has stated. The main puppets within the system said it's go time. It's green lit. Right? Are they telling the truth or not? Well, seems like the Fed could. The Fed is slowing QT, right? All these things connect with the market, guys. The committee will slow the pace of decline of its securities holdings by reducing the monthly redemption cap on Treasury securities from 25 billion to 5 billion, right? So these are all positive signs, guys, for the markets. Interesting. All in time, all in time, all in time. For this is it. The moment we have been waiting for. The SEC will drop its appeal. A resounding victory for Ripple for crypto every way you look at it. Wow. If XRP moon's here, guys, I guess I missed out. But let's listen to this.
SEC filed its lawsuit against Ripple. I'm finally able to announce that this case has ended. It's over. Sitting here today and reflecting on 4 years as a Ripple employee, to the incredible legal team here at Ripple, led by the best chief legal officer in the business, Stu Alderodi. Gratitude certainly to the XRP family, to our customers, to our partners. Thank you. We couldn't have won this battle without all of you being behind us and working together.
There we go, guys. So that's crazy that the case really ended, huh? Today Ripple moves forward stronger than ever. Wow. So our thinking was the case would end around the same time as the collapse, right? That was our thinking. Just because it would be timed perfectly, but I guess not. It finished. Now, what I did say beforehand was, even if the case were to conclude in the coming days, weeks to months, would it have a big effect on XRP's price action? I stated no. The reason being is because it wouldn't have mattered, right? If they have a time set, a date set in the future of where things are all supposed to happen, they will just delay it. They will just have bots keep it suppressed or something like that, guys. Now, that's aside the point, because we don't know if in the next couple weeks or not this would have a major effect. Okay, so we just have to wait on that. But the one thing that I do know is Ripple's now becoming Redditors, right? They're talking about riddles. What's going on here? Now guys are third from part of XRP in the XRP community. Now this is quite interesting. So Emmy from look at this. Emmy right here, formerly VP Strategic Initiatives at Ripple, okay, says, and once the storm is over, you won't remember how you made it through, talking about the SEC case, how you managed to survive. You won't even be sure whether the storm is really over, but one thing is certain, when you come out of the storm, you won't be the same person who walked in. That's what the storm's all about. Wait a minute, who else stated that Mr. Poole was the first person? Right here, just read this, guys, okay? The same exact thing. Wow, that's just mind-boggling. But again, did we call it? Did we call it, guys? Today is what? March 19th. The case ended. As soon as I woke up. I was sleeping all day, guys. I woke up. I'm like, what's happening, right? Let me just check quickly, and I seen the case was concluded. But then I thought to myself, what day is it today? March 19th, 319. I remember seeing this number so many times in the past years, guys, to the point I had to search this up. I tweeted Val Jester once upon a time. What does number 139 mean? Again, 319 can mean what? 193, right? 139, 913, okay, which comes out to 13 again. Why? So today is basically a 13th date, okay? So 139 or 319, it doesn't matter. So if you guys want to go with 319, it doesn't matter, guys. It's just scrambled apart. Okay, so 319 today. 3 plus 1 is 4. 9. That comes out to 13. They concluded on a 13th date. Valgesser replied, multiplied 13 times 9 multiplied is 117, which is 911, right, on a different calendar. The Golden Age or Dawn. That's a secret society, the Golden Dawn. This would appear often around Trump's past posts and crypto. Odd. Look at that. Interesting, guys. So again, they did it on a specific date, okay? Not to mention, Baba Cooks called it. Everyone's saying. And Mr. Poole as well, what's going on? Ripple case 2022-19 done, he stated, okay? Now, February 19th, 219 from Baba Cooks is what? Is March 19th, guys, okay? So basically, March 19th, Chinese lunar dates comes out to February 19th. Baba Cooks knew. I told you guys. The case ends January 19th. Okay. Now, Baba Cooks, the case ends January 19th, comes out to March is the first month on the 13th month calendar, aka January. Baba was right once again. This moon happened between the 23rd of this month coming to May 23rd. We'll see. March 19th, it began, he stated. End and begin, right? When there's an ending, there's a new beginning. Mr. Poole, begin, 1219. 319, right? 1 plus 2 is 3, 319. Now, it was 1219, 319 in 2023 when the sunflower popped out as well. You can't make this stuff up, guys. Look at that. Bearable Guy 123 activated his sunflower on 1219, which is 319 again. Now from Tuntu Savage. Now, he once stated back in 2021, I told you the number 193 was connected to XRP. Comes out to today, 319, 193, right? Interesting. April to July looking good from Baba Cooks. All plans done by April 2020, January 2020 moon date. So does that mean we're close, guys? I mean, if we're close, then yeah, I missed out because I barely have any XRP. But I guess it is what it is, guys. Right? It is what it is. My opinion is set. Moon will not occur until the collapse. That's just my opinion, right? But it could moon tonight, tomorrow. The interesting part is, why didn't XRP moon? The last time we seen XRP was declared non-security was where? You can't see it there. Was right here, guys. It pumped 100%, and now we pumped 12%. What? Right? Even though the case is finally done and over, it didn't even affect XRP's price much. Not to mention, Bitcoin went up as well. Right? So that's a little bit odd. Again, we'll see what happens with price. We are 38 days away. Moon date has been given. Personally, I think it's time for you to be content with your bags and lock up your positions. Until moon date, I have no clue what happens day to day. I'm not taking the risk. Neither should you. Good luck. I took the risk. I was dumb for it, guys. So this is why you should not take the risk, right? He literally says, basically, to put your positions or your XRP into escrow. Not literally, but just do it mentally, right? Until when? Moon date. Now, Mr. Pool comes about on 320, the seatbelt. Maybe to buckle up. On March 20th, 5 trillion from Big Short. Crazy, huh? 5 trillion. So Esoteric Kang tweets out, well, he was walking his dog and he came across on the ground 5T. What are the chances, right? Maybe a synchronicity. Look at that. So think again, 5 trillion, huh? 5 trillion with Swift, market cap, who knows? And then we got, I'm told, a big announcement regarding Donald Trump, plans for next steps in crypto policies coming imminently out of the Blockworks DAS. Now, talking about the Blockworks DAS, I don't see that here. So we go here. President Trump to speak at the Digital Asset Summit tomorrow, unexpectedly. Right? Could there be a major announcement? I don't know. But seems good. Now that the case is over, are we going to talk about escrow? What even happened to the escrow? Are they going to hand it over or not? Supposedly nothing even happened. But Mr. Poole did say escrow right here on 325. So they're not wasting any time because these are the institutions and they're coming out with institutional exchange LMAX. Digital clients can now trade Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin. Executive Director of the Presidential Working Group on Digital Assets says stablecoin legislation can be on Donald Trump's desk in the next 2 months. CFTC regulated XRP futures starts trading tomorrow, March 20th, now that the SEC case is over. Look at that, right? So it seems like things are accelerating, guys. And here comes Brad Garlinghouse talking about the case being dropped, right, due to the appeal. I'm going to play a little bit of it.
There's an update to the appeal.
It's always good to make news while here at Digital Asset Summit. Just a few minutes ago, right before we walked up here, I posted on X that we can now announce that the SEC is no longer pursuing their appeal in the Ripple case. We're obviously, yeah, thank you.
Should we get a standing little standing ovation? I can try your feet. This is a great
The
moment.
whole industry, this is a good thing.
Come on. Okay.
So it's been 4.5, almost 4 years and about 3 months since the SEC originally sued us. Certainly.
All that matters is price, to be honest. So is it too early to talk about the 1,700 NDAs? Right? There were 1,700 contracts, which you can't be spoken, guys, out in the public eye. So now that the case is over, are they going to be coming out one by one? JP Morgan did say when the case is finally over and Ripple wins, well, that's when the floodgates open. So we'll see. Let's give it some time. That's it for today's video. Now that the chains are off, guys, we'll see these higher prices too, triple, quadruple, right? 5 digits for XRP. We'll see. I mean, it's getting pretty interesting out there, isn't it? Damn, the case is really over. 5 years, right? Or 4.5, about. Interesting. Crazy. Ridiculous. Insanity. I don't know what else to say, but hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. And yeah, guys, see ya.